She
Be
was
quiet. You already got yourself in enough trouble. What's your name?
Sherry
What? What's your last name?
Trotter.
Trotter?
Yes.
Miss Trotter, I don't know if you've had any other difficulty with your daughter, but your daughter's got an attitude, and unless she does something about straightening herself out, I'm going to tell you, you're not going to get a lot of pleasure out of her as an adult. I'm telling you. She has an attitude that she can't even mask when she's in a courtroom. So I would suggest that you have a long talk with her, unless what you want to do is have a lifetime of grief from your daughter.
My attitude has nothing to do with this case.
Your attitude, madam, is what's going to land you in trouble probably for the rest.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। এখন আপনাদের জানাবো আপনি ইউটিউব মনিটাইজেশন পাওয়ার জন্য আপনার কি কি দরকার। ইউটিউব মনিটাইজেশন পাওয়ার জন্য